Hello friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is pre-algebra class lecture 27. And the title of this lecture is Simplifying Radical Expressions. Here we will solve some radicals expression. Previous lecture we studied about the concept, the notion of roots, properties of roots. Now we want to solve this question according that rules. Here, first question we have, it is 12. 12 root of x plus y whole to the power 8. We want to simplify these radicals. Question 1, we have 12 root of x plus y whole to the power 8. We can write x plus y whole to the power 8 over 12. Now 8, we cancel it with 12, we get 2 into 4 is equal to 8, 3 into 4 is equal to 12, x plus y whole to the power 2 over 3. We can write as, again we change it to the root, 2 over 3, it means third root of x plus y whole to the power 2. Question 2, x plus y whole to the power, x plus y whole to the power m plus n over p. It is equal to p root of x plus y whole to the power m plus n. It is equal to p root of x plus y whole to the power m multiplied by x plus m, x plus y whole to the power n. We can write separately p root of x plus y whole to the power m into x plus p root of x plus y whole to the power n. It is the answer of this problem. Here we have a non-terminating numbers. We want to simplify this example. Question 3, it was question 3. It is question 3, question 2. Here we want to write question 2. Question 2 we have to the power 3 over 4. It is equal to fourth root of to the power 3. It is equal to fourth root of to the power 3 is equal to 8. Question 1, 3, 2. Now we want to solve question 4. We have third root of cube root of minus 3 whole to the power 3 minus sixth root of minus 3 whole to the power 6 over minus 2 minus square root of minus 2 whole to the power 2 minus fifth root of minus 243. It is equal to, now we want to simplify this expression. It is equal to minus 3 minus, it is equal to minus 6 root of minus 3 whole to the power 6. We had a rule, if the index of radical is even integer, then it is equal to the modulo of minus 3. It is equal to modulo of minus 3. If we cancel 6 by 6, then we should write modulo absolute value of minus 3. Minus, it is also minus, here we have 2, it is even integer. Then we have to write minus absolute value of minus 2. Minus, we can write fifth root of minus 3 whole to the power 5. It is equal to minus 3 minus absolute value of minus 3 is equal to 3 over minus 2 minus 3. It is equal to minus 3 minus 6 over minus 2 plus 3. It is equal to minus 6 over 1. It is equal to minus 6. It is the answer. Question 5. Question 5, we have a non-terminating numbers. Square root of 2.7 non-terminating, it means plus square root of 5.4, we can read as board. Square root of 0.1 plus square root of 0.4. It is equal to, we can write numerator, in numerator we can write 2 plus 0.7 plus square root of 5.4 plus 5 plus 0.4, like this. Over, we can write as common fraction 1/9 plus square root of 4/9. It is equal to square root of 2 plus 7/9 plus square root of 5 plus 4/9 over the numerator. The square root of numerator is, we can write separately 1 over square root of 9 plus square root of 4 over square root of 9. It is equal to, if we simplify the numerator, we get square root of 2 multiplied by 9, 18, 18 plus 7, 25 over 9 plus square root of 49 over 9. It is also 1/3 plus 2/3. The square root of 1 is 1, the square root of 9 is 3. The square root of 4 is 2, the square root of 9 is 3. It is equal to, the square root of 25 is 5/9 plus over 3. The square root of 49 is 7/3. 1/3 plus 2/3. Now we can write 5 plus 7, 12. In denominator we get 3, 1 plus 2, 3/3. It is equal to 12 divided by 3, 4. 3 divided by 3, 1. 4 divided by 1, it is 4. The answer is 4. It was 5th one. 6th one. Question 6. We have the square root of 0.25 plus square root of 1.21 plus square root of 1.44. It is equal to, we change it to the common fraction 25/100 plus square root of 121/100 plus square root of 144/12/100. Now square root of 25 over square root of 100 plus square root of 121 over square root of 100 plus square root of 144 over square root of 100. It is equal to, square root of 25 is 5 over 10. Square root of 100 is 10 plus 11 over 10 plus 12 over 10. It is equal to 10, 5 plus 11, 16, 16 plus 12, 28. 28 divided by 10, it is equal to 2.8. It is the answer of question 6. Now we want to write another rule and we will solve. We have two jazzer. The first index is m, the second index is n. If we have this kind of root, we multiply the index m multiplied by n root of A. Another one, if we have is m root of A into n root of B into p root of C. It is equal to, we multiply all index, we write one root, and here these two index multiply and we write as a power of A, as power of A. B also to the power P, C itself. If these base are equal, B equal A, then what happened? It is equal to M multiplied by N by P. A to the power R multiplied by N by P, its power, its exponent multiplied by this index and this index, plus its exponent multiplied by its the next index P, plus A to the power T plus T. Now we want to solve this question according to this rule. Here first question is equal to 3 multiplied by 2. It is 3, it is 2, 5. It is equal to 3 multiplied by 2, 6, 5. 6 root of 5. It is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 2. It is equal to 2 multiplied by 2, 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 8 root of 2. It is equal to, now it is in this, it is matched to this rule. So now we can write it's 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 3 into 5. It is equal to 2 multiplied by 3, 6 to the power 8, to the power 3 is 8 multiplied by 5. It is equal to 6 root of 8 multiplied by 5, 40. Next one is, this rule is we match to this rule, so we can write root 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 6. 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 6 to the power 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 6 plus 5 multiplied by 6. 5 multiplied by 6 plus 7. It is equal to 3 multiplied by 4, 12. 12 multiplied by 6, 72. To the power 2 multiplied by 4, 8. 8 multiplied by 6, 48. Plus 5 multiplied by 6, 30. Plus 7. It is equal to 72 root of to the power. It is equal to 78. 78 plus 7, 85. It is the simple expression of this example. It is equal to root of n multiplied by p by l. N multiplied by p by l. They are index. A to the power m multiplied by p into x to the power l into y. It is equal to square root of 2 multiplied by 3 by 2. 2 multiplied by 3 by 2. 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 plus 3 to the power 2 plus 1. It is equal to 2 multiplied by 3, 6. 6 multiplied by 2, 12. 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 5. 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Also we can cancel 9 divided by 3, 9, 3 times. 12 divided by 3, 4 times. It is equal to 4th root of 3 to the power 3. It is equal to 4th root of 27. It is the answer. It was the class of 27. Thank you.